this mask, you'll need a 20 by 20 inch piece of fabric. First, start by folding the mask twice on both sides, up to the center line. Make sure to give it enough width so it covers both your nose and mouth. It should look like so after the folding. Next, take your elastics or hair ties and put one around on each side. Make sure your elastics are long enough so that they reach comfortably around your ears. It should look like so. Next, take one side and tuck it in carefully and thoroughly into the other, like so. And that's it. You have your mask. It's all good to go. Make sure to actually use it when you leave the house. And this is what it should look like when you wear it. When you're taking off the mask, be sure to use the elastics and not touch the fabric